Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Instant Pot sausage with peppers and onions. Alright guys, I'm starting out in my Instant Pot. I have it set on saute and it's hot. I'm going to start by adding a little bit of olive oil into my Instant Pot. Just enough to coat the bottom. And I'm just going to give this a little tilt to get that oil evenly distributed on the bottom. Okay. I have some sweet Italian sausage here. I'm going to get this in here and I'm going to brown it. We're not going to cook it yet, we're just going to brown it. Once I get it all browned up, I'll bring you guys back. Okay, now that my sausages are all browned and are set aside, I'm going to add a little more olive oil into the pressure cooker. About a tablespoon. And I have 1 green bell pepper and 2 red bell peppers I sliced up. They're going to go in. And I have 2 large onions I sliced up. They're going in. And I'm going to allow this to saute for a while until those vegetables start to soften up. Alright guys, now that my peppers and onions went for a little while and they're starting to soften up on me here, I'm going to add in some garlic. Now I'm using the already diced up garlic in a jar. I'm going to put 2 healthy teaspoons in. If you use fresh, put about 3 cloves in, diced up. Alright, I'm going to give this a quick stir. Get our garlic blended down in there, guys. And the smell of this food cooking woke Dexter up. He's in there jabbering on. Okay, and I'm going to return my sausage back into the Instant Pot. You just want to lay it in there on top of your peppers and onions. Let me grab this over here, guys. Alright. Now I have a half a cup of beef broth and a 1/4 cup of white wine. I'm going to add that down into the pressure cooker. And I'm going to put my lid on here. Make sure I'm set on seal. And I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 5 minutes. After my 5 minutes are up, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright guys, my 5 minutes are up. I did that quick release of the pressure. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Guys, I also went ahead and made some home fries and peas to go with this. Let me get in here and give this a try. Nice and tender, nice and juicy. Let's cook through. See how juicy that is, guys? Let me give this a taste. That's really good, guys. Nice and tender. Juicy, not dry at all. Peppers are cooked through, as you can see. I'll give them a taste here. That's really good, guys. Now another thing you can do is warm up a little marinara in a microwave or in a saucepan. Dump a little bit over top. That would be good. And you could also serve this on a hoagie roll as an Italian sausage sandwich. Alright, there you have it, guys. Instant Pot sausage with onions and peppers. Give it a try. Thanks for watching, and until next time, I'll see ya.